failed many times in school, relationships, and jobs. But every failure taught me something important. The sooner you embrace failure, the faster you grow. And lesson three, take care of your health first. I ignored myself, like sleep, diet, and mental health for years. You can build, you can't build a happy life if your body and mind are exhausted. And lesson four, time is your most valuable asset. Stop wasting it on things that don't matter. Focus on what makes you happy and spend more time with people who lift you up. And lesson five, be kind to yourself. Life is hard enough. Don't beat yourself up over mistakes. Treat yourself like you'd treat a good friend. So those are my 5 life lessons I wish I knew sooner. Which one do you relate to most? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more life advice every week. Thank you.